Now, you've probably watched my previous video on binomial theorem, and we covered a question which asked us to find the coefficient of x squared. I'm going to pull up that question. Actually, I'll do another one. We're going to do something along those lines. Yeah, why don't we just do that exact same question? But I was looking through my topicals and I forgot to cover one more type of question. I'm going to pull out my topical again. I'm going to pull the question out and I'm going to show you guys how those types of questions work. Right, 2x minus 1 over 2x. Right, let's do this. Now we have 2x. My chair's so crap. Over 6, right? And in the previous question, they asked us what's the coefficient of x squared, right? But I'm going to switch it up a little bit. We already know the coefficient of x squared. And instead of knowing 2, we're going to replace that with a. And now the question will ask us, what is a? Like, they'll ask us the value of a. So we'll have to expand it. If you don't understand, if you're new, please watch my previous video. We've already covered this question type. So, plus 6c1, 2x, bar 5. Last time we stopped until here. Sorry, 4. Square, sorry, ran out of space over here. It's minus 1 over L. You know what, I'll just write over here. Minus 1 over AX squared. Now 6c0, we already know from doing the previous question on my previous video that we just need to take this apart. 6c2. I'm doing this in quite a rush. I have to sleep. But I randomly remember this question, and I remember that I forgot to cover it on our channel. Right, now let's solve this. Pretty run-of-the-mill, nothing new. All of this we already know. If you've been watching my videos attentively, we already know all of this. Over a squared x squared. Right? And now 15 into 16 is 240. And these two, like this will form x2, the x squared over a squared. Now this is, so we can basically represent this as, this is the same thing as saying 240 in x squared. Now this thing is a coefficient of x squared, but we don't know the value of a, and that's exactly what the question is asking us. The question has already stated the coefficient of x squared is 16. All we need to do is find a. So 60 equals to 240 over a squared. 60 a squared equals to 240. A squared equals to 240 divided by 60. Yeah, running out of space. What should I do? Oh, no. Yeah. 1 second, let me just undo all this. Okay, I'll just continue it over here. So a squared equals to 24 over 6. So a squared equals to 4. We can square root it. So a will be equal to 2. So that's all we needed to really cover. That was like the one concept that we haven't covered yet. Other than that, that's binomial theorem already done. This was a nice bite-sized introduction to AS maths for what is to come.